Hey guys, check out this new mini swamp cooler I got from Amazon today. The company's called KK Site, and it's a pretty cool little desk air conditioner here. It's got a rubberized handle here on the top. Check it out. Okay. It's got a little HEPA filter in there. You can move the vents here on the front. It has enough reservoir space for ice water to last for about an hour, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. And it really does a great job of cooling off this office I have here. I just leave it on the desk. It's got a new C charger in the back, so it's removable. You could just use your phone charger if you lose it. And it's pretty lightweight and easy to handle. Alright, another quality gadget from Jerry's Gadgets. Peace.